Let's begin by setting up payments. Go to the top left and click on the X icon. Then click on the WordPress logo. And from here, go down to Plugins, click Add Plugin, and start by typing in Stripe. And make sure you install payment plugins for Stripe WooCommerce. Once you find this one right here, click on Install Now. This is the most popular option for payment methods within WooCommerce. It allows pretty much anybody to input their credit card or debit card information. Once that's installed, click Activate. We'll also want to get PayPal set up here as well. This plugin makes it super easy. Just click Install Now. And then click Activate again. Go ahead and close out of this here. Now within WooCommerce on the left-hand side, you're going to see PayPal by Payment Plugins and Stripe by Payment Plugins. These are going to be our two payment options that we need to configure. And we'll start with PayPal. So go up to the top and click on Settings, then scroll down, and next to Connect to PayPal, press Click to Connect. You'll have a window open up here. From here, you'll simply log into your PayPal account that you want to collect payments from. Once you've logged in, it's going to configure your connection to PayPal, and it should say Status Connected. Next, go back over to the left-hand side and click on Stripe by Payment Plugins. Click into Settings here. Then we'll scroll down and click on Click to Connect. And here you're going to have to sign up for a Stripe account. If you don't already have a Stripe account set up, you'll have to enter your email address here and fill out some information. Do that, follow the prompts, and I'll meet you at the next step. Now, after you've connected your Stripe account, it's going to ask you a bunch of questions about your business information, your banking information, and a whole bunch of other personal stuff. Now, once you've done that, let's scroll down and make sure everything is connected properly by clicking on the Connection Test button. As you can see here, it says connection test to Stripe was successful. That means that we're good to go. And now another thing to mention is to keep the mode in test. Later on, we're going to switch this from test to live, but for now, we're going to keep it in test mode and come back to this a little bit later. To make sure everything is good to go down and click on Save Changes. From here, let's go to the top and click into Payments. And we're looking for PayPal by Payment Plugins and also Stripe by Payment Plugins. We want to make sure that these are both active. So right here, we have credit cards, Stripe by Payment Plugins. You can see that's active. So that's good. Now let's scroll down to the bottom here. And then we have PayPal Gateway by Payment Plugins. And that's currently inactive. So we want to click Enable next to this. Now, if you'd like to, you can scroll through all of these different payment options and enable and manage each of them here as well. In most cases, Stripe and PayPal will be perfect for just about any store. Now with that done, we're able to go to our website and add a product into our cart, head over to the checkout and make sure that everything is appearing properly. So go up to the top and click into your website. Then let's go down to a product here. Click on this one. We'll choose an option and then click Add to Cart. Click on Proceed to Checkout. And now if I scroll to the bottom, we have the payment options available. Our customers can enter their credit or debit card and they can also use PayPal. This is showing us that everything is working properly.